In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a unique form ID in Unbounce. This is a small change that can make a big difference for clean integrations, reliable tracking, and clear data across your tools. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Unbounce. Click the official Unbounce result to head to the site, then log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, go to the All Pages view. Here, pick the landing page that contains the form you want to work with. If you have many pages, it helps to use the search or filters to find the right one quickly. When the page opens in the Unbounce Builder, click directly on your form to select it. This opens the Form Builder and the Settings panel where you can manage fields and configuration. If your form has multiple fields, you'll see them listed. Selecting an individual field will show more detailed options on the right side. Look for the field name or field ID setting. By default, Unbounce often auto-generates this based on the field label. To take control and set something predictable for integrations like analytics, CRMs, or automation tools, disable the Auto-Generate from Field Label option. With that turned off, you can type a specific unique ID for the field. Choose an ID that's short, descriptive, and consistent. For example, use lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens or underscores, and avoid spaces or special characters. Something like first name, company name, or consent opt-in is easy to understand later. Consistency matters. Use the same pattern across all your forms so it's effortless to map fields in tools like Zapier, webhooks, or your CRM. Also remember that many systems treat IDs as case-sensitive, so stick to one style to prevent mismatches. If you have multiple fields, repeat this process for each one you plan to reference outside Unbounce. Make sure each ID is unique within the form. It's a good idea to keep a quick reference list of the IDs you set so you can copy and paste them when configuring integrations, avoiding typos. Once an integration is live, avoid changing these IDs later, because renaming them can break downstream mappings. That's all there is to it. Open Unbounce, log in, choose your page, select the form, and in the field settings turn off Auto-Generate and enter a clear, unique ID. With that simple adjustment, your form data becomes far easier to track, debug, and connect to the rest of your marketing stack.